Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the statue problem on WhatsApp. So this video is gonna help you to fix any problem you have with the statue on your WhatsApp easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks and then go to the top here. You will find the airplane mode. Just enable it and disable it like this easily and fast. After that, go back and go to the apps manager, and now here all what you have to do is go to the apps. You will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone right here. Scroll until you find WhatsApp, then click on it like this and click here on force stop. Now after you click on the force stop option, all what you have to do is go down to the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications are enabled. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if the video was helpful.